Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home, and welcome back to another whole house clean with me video. In today's video we are going to be cleaning the whole house, obviously every room in the house, and the house was pretty messy on this day, and as usual the two most messy places were the kitchen and the boys' room, and we did have a bit of a mess out here in the living room as well. We're just going to be getting the house tidied up, get the floors vacuumed, the surfaces wiped, and just get this whole house nice and sparkling clean. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And for the question of the day, lately I've been trying to do a question of the day in my videos. I want you guys to share down in the comments all of your cleaning tips and your cleaning hacks. I'm sure that everyone would love to read through those, and I would love to read through those as well. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to do was to wash the boys' bedding, and their bedding is from Betty's Beds. For those of you interested, we love this bedding. It is a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth the price because it's good quality and it'll last for a while. It's easier for them to make their beds and all of that. And that laundry stain remover that I showed you there is from 7th Generation. I get that from Grove Collaborative, and it's one of my favorite like natural stain removers. It works really well just to spray on stains before you throw them into the washer. And then I was using the Method laundry soap and laundry detergent. So once I got those started, we headed into the living room areas to get these straightened up. I had the boys help me to pick up their toys. So on this day, I started my cleaning at 8 a.m. and I got finished at 1 p.m. So it only took me a couple of hours. Some days it can take me all day long to clean the whole house, just depending on how messy the house is, and also depending on how many times I have to stop throughout the day to do other things like take care of my kids or answer business emails or phone calls or different things like that. And also lately my routine has been that I do this whole house cleaning one day out of the week, where I clean every single room in the house, do all of the laundry, all that kind of stuff, and then for the rest of the week I just have to do that quick tidy up in the morning. It gives me so much more free time throughout the week, and this routine has just really been working well for me. You can let me know what your weekly cleaning routine is down in the comments. And people always ask, what are my kids doing while I'm cleaning? Well, they're usually playing behind the scenes, and here's what they were doing while I was vacuuming. Kyle was giving Owen a ride on the wagon, and it's not always all smiles and, oh, they're playing so nice together the whole time that I'm cleaning. They do have their moments where they're crying and they're fussing, and that's the times that I have to stop filming and cleaning and go take care of the kids. And yeah, it's not always perfect. You don't see everything, but usually they can play pretty good by themselves while I'm cleaning up the house. So now we've got the whole living room area cleaned up and vacuumed, and now we're going to move on to the next room. That's usually how I like to do these whole house cleanings, is to work room by room. Typically I always start in the kitchen and then I work my way from there, but on today Owen was going to be taking a nap at lunchtime like I said, so I wanted to be sure that I had them help me pick up all the toys, get their room cleaned and their laundry done before he went down for a nap. So we moved on to cleaning up their bedroom next, and I got them to help me. And just a couple of tips I thought I'd share there for trying to get your kids to help you clean up their room. If I'm making them clean up their room by themselves and I'm going to go off and do something different, leave them back there to clean up their room. Usually I can't do that with Owen, but with Kyle, I can leave him back there to clean up the room by himself. And I will tell him to clean it up in sections. If it's like really messy, it's too overwhelming for them when they're only like 5 years old. So I tell him in sections. I will say, go back and pick up all of the Legos and then come tell me when you're done doing that. He'll come tell me when he's done doing that, and then I say, okay, go back there and pick up all of the blocks. And then after he's done doing that, I tell him go pick up all of the animals and the stuffed animals. And you just work in a system like that and it seems to work really well. Okay, so the next room that we're working on is the master bedroom and bathroom. I'm going to get this straightened up, get the clothes folded and put away. I made the bed, vacuumed the floor. We're going to do a quick cleanup in the bathroom. And in last week's video, I did some decluttering and organizing in my closet. So if you need some more motivation, be sure you go back and watch that video. These 7th generation cleaning wipes, one of my favorite cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. I keep one of these in each of my bathrooms always. When they run out, it's something that I always reorder. They're just so great to pull out and do a quick wipe down of the countertop and the toilet. And the vacuum that I've been using in today's video is the Uplight vacuum from Shark. I'll put a link for it down below. I've been getting questions about that vacuum when I use it, so I wanted to be sure that I mentioned it. So the next room that we're going to work on now is the kitchen. This kitchen was a mess, as you saw earlier before I started clearing things off of it. Like, there wasn't an empty spot on the countertop. It's very rare that I let my kitchen get this bad, but I didn't really do any cleaning the past 3 days because life has been a little bit crazy, which I'll explain more about next week. But it just got way out of hand and it was driving me nuts, and I could not wait for this morning so that I could clean up the house. So now that I got the countertops and the table cleared off, the dishwasher emptied and loaded, the last thing to do before we wiped off the countertops was to start washing the dishes. I got them all stacked there by the sink to get ready to wash, but before I started doing that, I went into the laundry room to quickly switch the laundry and get another load started, get that second bedding set started. So we're going to take a quick break from the cleaning here so that I can tell you guys a little bit about the sponsor of today's video, which is Home Chef. A big thank you to them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Home Chef is a meal kit service company. They have a huge variety of meals over on their website. One of my favorite meals that they have is the oven ready meals. They are so easy. They're perfect for days like this day when I was cleaning and I just need something quick that I can throw in the oven. It literally takes you like 1 minute or 2 minutes to piece these together and stick them in the oven. That is how easy they are. That's why they're called oven ready. They come in these little disposable pans, so you don't even have to wash dishes. Like, it's just the best thing ever for a busy day. That is why they're one of my favorite meals that they have. This one here that I was making, the pork chop meal, was so yummy. We all loved it. And one of the things that I love about Home Chef is that you can choose how often you get the meals. I know a lot of people think that you have to get the meals every single week. That's not true. You can choose how often you get the meals. You can get them 1 week out of the month or 2 weeks, or you can skip a couple weeks, or you can skip a month if you just want to take a break, or you can get them every single week if you want. I usually get mine about 1 or 2 weeks out of the month. Just gives me a nice break that week. And another reason for you to sign up for Home Chef is because I have a coupon code for you guys. So use the link down below to go and sign up on Home Chef, and then use my coupon code Hannah80 to get $20 off of each of your first 4 boxes, equaling a total of $80 off. That's $20 off of each of your first 4 boxes, equaling a total of $80 off. So another reason to try out Home Chef. Go and take advantage of that coupon code. And yeah, I highly recommend them. Definitely go and try them out. The links and the code and everything will be down below. So now it was time for Owen's bedtime. His bedding had got dry in the dryer just in time for me to put it on his bed right before he went down for a nap. Now I'm back in the kitchen. I just have to wipe down the countertops and clean the floor, and then this kitchen will be all clean and we will finally be done with all of the cleaning today. I hope that you all enjoyed this whole house clean with me video. If it gave you motivation and inspired you, be sure and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and turn on the notification bell because we've got some exciting videos coming out next week, and one of those videos is going to be an announcement, so you don't want to miss that video. So be sure that you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on, and also don't forget to go and check out Home Chef with the link down below and use my coupon code Hannah80 to get $20 off of each of your first 4 boxes, equaling a total of $80 off. And I will see you in a couple of days with a brand new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.